Hey, what is going on, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to format your USB flash drive in Windows 10 and 11. It works the exact same way for both operating systems. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. So maybe you guys have a little USB flash drive, an old one that you just want to wipe everything off it, start out new, get the data off it, so you can put new files on there. Or you might have a current USB flash drive and you're like, I don't really need any of this information anymore, or you have it backed up and you want to use your USB flash drive for another purpose, so you're like, I want to format it so I can use it for my PlayStation or my Xbox or something like that. It's really simple. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it today, how to format it, and I'm going to be showing you guys what the different file types are. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do now is we're just going to plug it in to a USB port on our computer. Like that. It should pop up like this. If it doesn't, I want you to go ahead and hit Windows plus the E key on your keyboard. Select this PC, and then you should see a USB drive here. And it's going to have a different name from mine than mine for sure. So if you have a USB drive that's like maybe it's like a SanDisk, Alexa, or a Kodak, or a Kingston, or a Samsung, or whatever USB drive brand you have. It could be labeled as the brand that it is, or it could be just a USB drive, or it could be whatever. So just find which one it is. Then to actually format it, we are going to right click it and select this option that says format. It has a little disk with a little refresh. Select that, and now it's going to bring up this little white box. We have a few options here to choose from. So it has the capacity, which is good. And then there's this option here that says file system. Now we're going to see about 3 options here. The first one, it says NTFS. Now NTFS works for only Windows operating systems. And these operating systems this will only work for Windows. Nothing else. So that's NTFS. FAT32, we don't want to use this in 2024. It's not really that good anymore. It's mainly like a Windows one as well. So we're just going to ignore that. Now, the next one we have here is exFAT or exFAT. So what this is, exFAT, is this file system is going to allow us to use this USB drive with a Windows operating system and an Mac OS operating system. So I'm going to select the exFAT because I have a MacBook that I also want to use this on, as well as my PC here. So what I'm going to say we should do is, even if you don't have a Mac or whatever, I highly recommend just always formatting USB drives in exFAT, in case in the future you ever have to use this on a Mac, or you switch to a Mac and you have data on there that you need, but you don't want to format it to change the file type. So go with that. And then it has another option here called allocation unit size. So we're just going to change that to default. Then we see here volume label, so we can change this to anything you want. And then make sure you have this option here, quick format, selected, and then we're just going to select start. It is going to come up with a little pop-up saying, warning, formatting will erase all data on this disk, so it'll all be gone. So make sure you have any important data on there backed up. Now select OK. It'll only take a few seconds, and now it says format complete, so we can click OK here, and then close. And that's pretty much it. So the USB is here, we can make folders, do whatever on there, whatever. So I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.